How to change name in honor of kings. So first things first, before doing this method, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Honor of Kings via the Google Play Store or any app store where you downloaded this application. Next up is open up and launch the game and make sure that you're fully logged in to your account. Now, changing your name is very easy. This is going to be your home dashboard, and then at the top left portion of your screen, you should see your current IGN or your endgame name as well as your profile picture. Simply tap on that, and then right upper portion of your screen, you should see settings. Just simply tap on that, so you'll get a drop down menu. Head out straight into info, and then beside your current name or your username, there's actually a pencil icon. Tap on that once again, and then before executing changing your name, take note that you can only change your name if it's going to be the first time that's not going to have to cost anything from you. Basically, the first name change is free, but if you will be changing it a second time, that's going to cost you a premiums from the game. Just simply type in the name that you prefer and then just simply hit on complete. And that is how you change name in honor of kings.